Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, come over to this website and paste this YouTube link over here and click on Get Clips for free. This artificial intelligence tool will generate 10 short viral clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and the best moments out of this longer video that you've pasted into YouTube. You can repurpose videos from a one long video to 10 viral clips that you can go and post onto TikTok, like this person is doing over here. They're posting their own motivational content that they're not even creating using artificial intelligence tools, just posting simple motivational text quotes over stock videos and quotes that they found off YouTube. This person is monetizing their page with Instagram and YouTube ad revenue, and you can even take this a step further by monetizing this page with ClickBank affiliate links. There are tons of these pages that I've seen on TikTok pop up that are getting hundreds of thousands and millions of views on their videos, just repurposing and reposting content that they're getting off YouTube on other platforms completely for free. And yes, you are allowed to do this as long as you credit the original creator, because secondly, you're not also copying their video directly. You're just taking the best moments from their video and turning that into a viral clip that you are allowed to go and repost. Just make sure you give credit to them on your short video platform. A great example is WealthLock on TikTok. You can go and check them out. Credit to the success on their page. They're a really good idea and example that is doing this. I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to dive straight into this, but quickly, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jay. I document my journey on various different strategies that I use to make money online, on YouTube, online, on social media, drop shipping, drop servicing, trading, which is what I do full time off of YouTube, which I'll explain more at the end of this video. So if you want to get more daily tips and content like that from me, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on. And also in this video, I'm going to announce the $30 giveaway at the end of this video, as I announced in the previous video. So make sure to watch to see who wins that. But for the first thing you're going to go and do is you want to go and search motivational type content on YouTube. You can actually do this in any niche. You can search health and fitness. You can search educational. You can search entertainment, such as gaming streams, best gaming moments on Fortnite, all sorts of ideas that you can do this with. You can kind of put together after you watch this video on how this works, and actually realize on how many different niches that you can do this in. So firstly, I'm going to use the motivational podcast example. A great idea is just coming over to YouTube, searching up motivational podcast content. And for example, you can go and copy this video over here, 10 minutes for the next 10 years of your life, positive morning motivation. You can go and copy this link, come over to a website called opus.pro, opus.pro, and you can come over to this bar over here, paste the link to this video, click on Get Clips for free. You will need to sign in with an account. I'm just going to use my Google account to sign in with, and take a look at this. It's very similar to ChatGPT. It will fetch the video for you and produce 10 viral clips and the best moments out of this video that you can go and use and repurpose on all of these social media platforms. Now, I do something very similar. I post content on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, etc., and I monetize that in my own way by offering a Discord and offering my mentorship in trading. That is just my way of monetizing my content, documenting my trades, especially on TikTok and Instagram, and giving value on that for free on social media, and people can get more in-depth from that in my Discord. So this is a very similar type of concept. You're monetizing your motivational content with affiliate products that you don't even have to create. The only difference is I use and monetize my content with my own product, but it's very easy to monetize your content with an affiliate product that has already been created for you. Another great example of a channel doing this is called Motivational Madness. I'm sure you've heard of them. They're quite big. They basically overlay motivational speeches over their own stock-free video footage. So you'll see they've got their own intro and logo, and they basically use stock video footage with a random guy walking through a building and other pictures that do not even belong to them, and they're creating their own content out of this. And this is exactly what you can go and do. You can go and filter and repurpose the best moments of these videos, give out free motivational content. That way a lot of people following you. That kind of stuff really does well on social media, which allows you to build up your own community, which you can monetize in various different ways. And also, this is really easy to do. All of the tools are here. I'm going to show you how to use them completely for free. I'm just just waiting for this page to load. It will be a few minutes and it will load up all of these videos that it has extracted out of the longer YouTube format. Another great example is this channel over here called Ben Lionel Scott. Not only are they posting YouTube shorts of just speeches that they found on the internet, kind of with their own theme, gray, black and white style with the white text. You can see they've really got their own theme going, but all of these speeches are not even their own. I can promise you most of these videos they've downloaded off TikTok or Instagram or anything that they've really come across on their feed that they like, and they redesign it into their own way. They probably overlay some kind of black and white and add captions with the white text, and that has kind of become their theme, their brand. And take a look at how they're taking off. So there are a lot of channels succeeding at this. They are getting hundreds of thousands, one or two videos even hitting millions of views on their videos. And they're also doing this with long format content. They're taking the best parts of speeches and motivational quotes from longer videos on YouTube and other platforms and turning that into their own YouTube shorts for Instagram Reels, TikToks, and all the other short platforms as well, which with all of these views opens up to a whole bunch of doors and opportunities that you can monetize with. And take a look at this. This tool is now done. It's clipped some of the best moments from this video, which this first one is 46 seconds. If I play this, and you can see it's just formed a beautiful motivational video that it has extracted and repurposed from the longer form video into a 46-second video. And that's not the best part. It makes 10 different ones for you that you can just click download over here, and it downloads straight to your PC. All I had to do was sign in with my free account. Now I've got access to over 10 different clips that I've just pasted a YouTube video into that I can go and post on TikTok, and that allows me to post 10 videos in 10 days, which is content for the next 10 days. But also it really allows you to be consistent at your posting, as you've really got unlimited content to now go and post, as this was all extracted from just one video on YouTube, never mind all of the potential others that you can go and use for this. You can also even go and edit these videos. So if you go and click on edit clip over here of the extracted clip, you can see it gives you all the text, the video that's already been extracted, and you can even go and change the colors of your text. So it's highlighted words that it's really emphasizing on. So for example, getting things done, the opportunity, lining it up, telling you, recognizing, understanding the weakness. It's highlighting points that the video is really emphasizing on. This AI tool has really been touched up nicely by whoever developed this, and is really a great opportunity for content creators to go and post content on TikTok and YouTube, which allows you a great opportunity to go and build a community for yourself and monetize that with the next strategy that I'm going to show you. Step number 3, step number 1 and 2, going over to YouTube and extracting and repurposing that YouTube video, is to come over to TikTok.com, and you want to go and create some kind of motivational page. You can actually just come over to ChatGPT and ask for a free example on a motivational page name for TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. You can go and create an account on all the platforms if you want to. The more the merrier, the more views, the better. So you can go and create an account on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and just go and post your video on all 4 of those platforms at the same time and grow your audience on all of those platforms. Then secondly, all you want to do is you want to go and create a logo for yourself. For example, motivational, you can do a guy gymming or whatever. You can just go over to Canva and go and search up free logos. It's really easy to go and set up. I'm not going to go through that too much in detail. Really easy to do. You can also just search a quick tutorial on how to create a TikTok account with a logo, and vice versa for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. Fourthly, you now want to go and monetize that content. Come over to our website called clickbank.com, which I always talk about in my videos. This is a website I've made tens of thousands of dollars over the years promoting various affiliate products through content that I create on social media and brands that I create. So firstly, your niche is all about motivational speeches. Let's come over to e-business and e-marketing. So for example, over here in your monetization, for example, in your motivational content, you can go and use this affiliate product over here. Jobs to go and get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So this is an easy product that you can go and put in the link of your bio of your pages, giving people the opportunity to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube and find online jobs. Now, this platform is a paid platform, so every time you refer someone to this opportunity and the quiz, you will go and get $18.80 every sale that you make. So if I go and click on this link, it will take you to a done for you landing page that you don't even need to go and create. It's already been done for you. The checkout has been done for you. And when you get a sale through your affiliate link, ClickBank knows to go and pay you that commission. So for example, people that click on your link will be required to take this quiz to kind of identify the type of person they are, the time they have in the day, and what type of jobs that will suit them. When they sign up for a job, you will get paid a commission. The company will pay you that commission, a commission of $18.80. And if they buy any upsells, $39.62. To go and get your link is really easy. You can go and click on promote, click on generate hop link. Over here is your unique affiliate link. So every time someone clicks on this link, it will take them to the landing page that is connected to your ClickBank account, so the ClickBank knows to pay you when you get a sale. But this affiliate link looks very long and messy, so what you can do is you can come over to a website called bit.ly. I'm sure most of you have heard it. It's called Bitly. Once you've signed in with your Bitly account, you can go and create a short link. And not only that, when you go and create a short link, for example, you paste your ClickBank link here, you can go and add a custom half. So we can go and type here Facebook social media jobs. You can go and click on create. Every time someone clicks on this link, you can go and track the amount of engagements that you get. So for example, if you've gotten a video that has 10,000 views and you got 1,000 clicks, that means you have a 10% click-through rate, and you can actually go and track those clicks with bitly.com, which is a really great way to track how many people are actually interested in your product. You can then go and copy this Bitly link, which looks a lot better than that messy ClickBank link, and paste it in the bio of your page that you've created on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. So what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to go and get started with this. Let me know if you get any results. I'd love to see some testimonies from you guys. I'm actually busy with the page at the moment doing something very similar, posting my own quotes. And I haven't posted lately, but the last 30 posts that I've posted, I've gotten well over 1 million views in total, with 3 videos blowing up over 500,000 views, which then blows up my Instagram and all sorts of other links. And you can go and paste a link in the bio of your page. This is a good example of what I've been doing with this and how you can do this too. What I'm going to do is to help you out even more. If you want to get more videos on specifically and different ways to go and monetize your short video platform, pages such as TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, whatever you've got, I'm going to leave an entire free course over here for you guys. It's all my valuable content that I've posted on YouTube for free. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. You can go and click on this playlist over here. There's about 20 or 30 videos that explain how to make money on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, etc. So what I recommend is if you want to use the strategy and dive into it deeper, you can go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.